Good morning, traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures, Friday, August 19th here to talk to you about the grain markets. The corn market. Corn's gone up 5 consecutive days in a row. It's up a penny here today, with really for no apparent reason. Backing up last Friday, we had a crop report, August 12th. It was a bearish report, and the corn market rallied. So sometimes these markets get tired of going down. The bulls in corn are touting on the USDA is overstating this corn crop and that the demand will take care of this big crop. So stay tuned for that. I think we're in a situation here now where the U.S. farmer is going to do everything in its power to store the corn, and the end user, corn is real cheap here now in our country, so they're going to want to buy it. So keep in mind, we've got the cheapest corn in the world today, and we got a lot of it. To carry out, it's going to be about 2.4 billion bushels of corn, and I think the demand story is good enough to rally prices here starting in early September. We'll keep talking about that. Soybean market. Okay, it's being led by soybean oil, so there's a demand for soybean oil and shortage of it in the world today, so I'm always a little susceptible about soybean rallies led by soybean oil. Keep in mind, in the last 20, 30 years, the best soybean markets we've ever had have been soybean meal led. Nonetheless, soybean oil showing some strength here. Soybeans are going to continue to be choppy. They were up 15 yesterday. They're down 12 today. That's a choppy market. It's probably going to continue to be that way. We do have a strong seasonal here in soybean, and then into September, the seasonals turn a little more weak on soybeans. Looking for that last rain here in August, and then to make sure the frost date is a normal date, which looks to be the case here in this situation. The wheat market, a good example of big markets getting bigger. Last Friday, we had a crop report. The USDA raised our wheat production 50 million bushels of wheat. So big crops getting bigger here. Keep in mind, we move wheat around the world better than any grain at all. So Europe's got some yield declines going on, but I still remember last summer Mexico needed wheat and they bought it from France, and it just seemed so an irony that we couldn't just rail wheat in from USA here to our neighbor to the south. Instead, Mexico bought the wheat from France. So we move wheat around very, very good. So going forward here, another weather weekend. It's important. Soybeans need rain. They're getting rain. So we'll kind of keep on talking about all of that. Everybody have an excellent weekend. Thank you.